Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert a new document to your current Microsoft Word document on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Microsoft Word. So we're going to go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to my YouTube channel, navigate to the Word document itself, go to Word Documents. There I see document, click on this. Minimize Finder for the moment, increase the size of the Word document. To now insert a new document, either we can go to the bottom of the current document, press enter a few times, and this will insert a brand new document, or we can click on insert, blank page, and there we have a brand new document or two brand new documents. Let's do that again. Insert, blank page, one more time. There we go. And so we can Command S to save. Quit Word. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.